dun sa Terminal 3 at pupunta kami ng Zamboanga. Mamaya pa naman madaling araw yung flight namin. Kaya dito pa kami ngayon.
Saan tayo makanin? Hindi na ko mga pin, magmami pa. Ang kaban mo, buling mas kulad na.
Bisa man.
A few moments later.
So, waiting na lang kami sa anong oras ba ang flight natin? 7:50.
Ngayon, now is 6:42. Ay, 7 eh. Late yan. Oo, tama. Mag-alas 7.
One eternity later.
Aircraft all guests, please store your hand-carried luggage under the seat in front of you and storage bins above you. Should you need assistance, please do not hesitate to call any of your cabin crew. If you're seated by the emergency exit, please read carefully the passenger briefing card located by yours. If you do not wish to perform the function,
Sa
please
dulo
press
tayo,
C
di?
from an emergency.
Sa
Please
dulo?
ask the cabin crew to receive you. Aircraft all guests do only safeguard or lose items, especially hard objects such as phone, tumblers, electronic devices inside your baggage before storing it in overhead bins. In line with this, please take caution securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off.
Dito.
Hello everyone, welcome to your Cebu Pacific flight where we make moments happen with you. This is flight 53703 and we're bound for Dipolog. Only guests for this flight to Dipolog must be on board. If you have a different flight number or destination, please call your cabin crew for assistance.
Ha? Kunin mo yung kay ang gamot mamaya hindi na.
Tubig.
Hindi, okay na. Sakay na tayo.
Maganda pa upuan eh. Ito isang kapili din yan. Malayo.
Oo nga. Yung sa Philippine Airlines, masikip na masikip.
Sige, marami ko eh.
Tanggalin mo nga yung seatbelt, hindi natanggal eh. Ah. So, na-delay yung flight namin. Kaya matagal kami naghintay doon. Chocolate.
Lumipad na. Ayun, may ganun.
Dito kasi kami na upo sa may exit. Kaya briefing muna kami na
In case lang naman. Mga problema. Inshallah, wag naman siya. Kaya nilipat ng malaking ibon.
Puyat na puyat kami kagabi. Tapos ngayon delayed pa ang flight. Kaya good luck. Kaya umusok yan.
Aircon yan.
Oo nga, ang Philippine Airlines hindi man ganyan. Lapit lang ito guys, 1 hour and 40 minutes lang. At Yan, nag-init. Huwag mo kasing masyado. Bilisan mo ng lakad eh, kay. Nagugutom na ako. Hindi ah. Dito na kami sa Bacolod Airport after 7 years. Puro 7 years. Na-delay kasi yung flight namin kanina, kaya anong oras na dapat mga 9:30 ang ano namin dito, ang dating.